At Numerian Capital, we bring you the latest stock news each day. Please like and subscribe so we can bring these articles to you each day. Thank you. Today, September 26, 2023, CR Group just sold more shares of T2 Biosystems stock. Insider selling adds to mounting concerns. Shares of biotech specialist T2 Biosystems slipped sharply on Tuesday. A major investor sold a significant volume of shares in recent days. The divesture in T2 stock comes despite seemingly encouraging news. Shares of beleaguered biotechnology specialist T2 Biosystems, Nasdaq TTOO, continue their worrying descent despite the announcement of positive news. Most alarmingly, a major investor has been exiting out of T2 stock in recent days. While insiders may sell for several reasons, the scope of the divestitures imposes a dark cloud over the business. According to a Seeking Alpha report, investment firm CR Group disclosed in a filing with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission dated September 25 that it disposed of an aggregate of 6.3 million shares of T2 stock. The transaction, which occurred on September 21, hit a value of approximately $1.9 million. Adding to the jitters for T2 stock, investment data aggregator Guru Focus notes that CR Group, which represents a 10% owner, sold 7.75 million shares on September 20 and 10.4 million shares on September 19. In the trailing one-month period, T2 suffered an erosion of over 40% of equity value. Even more glaring, the insider sell-off materialized despite a September 19 announcement by T2 regarding its direct-from-blood molecular diagnostic test, offering the first and only Food and Drug Administration cleared product able to simultaneously detect 6 high-priority biothreat pathogens including anthrax. The achievement failed to invigorate sentiment. Insider fire sale of T2 stock paints a grim picture. Generally speaking, insider acquisitions feature one logical assumption: the belief that shares will swing higher. On the other hand, insider selling can encompass a range of motivations, including mundane ones such as tax considerations. However, the context of T2 stock generates anxiety. Primarily, investors will likely be alarmed at the scale of the divestitures. According to data from Fintel, 49 insider acquisitions have been recorded for T2 stock. Further, the most recent such buy occurred on April 7, 2022. In sharp contrast, insiders have initiated 223 selling transactions. Aside from CR Group, the most recent sale occurred on April 6 of this year. Another point of concern centers on options trading dynamics. Using Fintel's screener for options flow, which focuses exclusively on big block trades likely made by institutions, the general sentiment toward T2 stock appears bearish. For example, the biggest options premium involved stems from an entity selling, writing, 1,707 contracts of the February 16, 2024 2.50 call. This transaction occurred on August 23, with the trader collecting a premium of $48,165. Since the transaction date, T2 stock shed more than 58%. Why it matters? According to TipRanks, analysts are cautious about T2 stock, rating it a consensus hold. This assessment breaks down as 0 buys, 2 holds and 0 sells. On average, the price target lands at 15 cents, implying 26% downside risk. Thanks for watching.